If you use Adobe Firefly, right now you have a shot at winning $5,000 just for posting one of your creations on social media. Adobe's How I Firefly contest is going on from now until November 19th, and I'll show you how to enter for a chance to win some cash in this Firefly sponsored video. If you're a US resident, all you have to do is create something amazing on Firefly, whether it's a jaw-dropping image or epic video. Post it to your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok page, and tag Adobe Firefly for a chance to win $5,000. I'm sure we could all use some extra cash, so let's go over how to use Firefly to create and post something for the contest and see if we can win that $5K. To enter the contest, the first thing we need to do is create something amazing on Firefly. We can use Firefly to create either a stunning image or an attention-grabbing video that shows off our unique style and creativity. I'm a video creator, so for my entry, I think I'll use Firefly to create a video. On Firefly, you can access everything you need to create some incredible content with AI. For video generation, there are tons of AI models that you can use to generate video clips. Simply select your desired settings and use text prompts to describe the type of video that you want. You can even use the frames option to create multiple scenes for your video. And to instantly add the perfect music to your video, you can use the Generate Soundtrack feature. Simply upload your video, and AI will analyze it to create music that perfectly matches your video's vibe. If you want to enhance your video with sound effects, the Generate Sound Effects feature allows you to instantly create any sound effect you need for your video. You can simply describe the type of sound that you're looking for using a text prompt, and even use your voice to adjust the timing. And to stitch everything together, you can use the new Edit Video feature to trim and arrange your video clips, add titles and audio, and even generate new scenes if you like. And there are tons of innovative AI tools on Firefly for generating, editing, and designing, so feel free to explore the various features to create something unique that will grab attention. And once you're finished creating your masterpiece, simply post it to your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok page. When posting, make sure you tag Adobe Firefly and include the hashtag HowIFirefly contest. To check out the official rules, make sure you click the link in the video description. And keep in mind, there are no limits to the number of entries you can submit, but each entry you submit must be unique and can only be submitted once during the contest period. You don't have much time, so go create something epic and post it before November 19th for a chance to win $5,000.